Okay, in each pack you get security seals and an international language data sheet. I think you get it in 3 or 4 languages. And the internal packaging of the EZs are this, which is the foil pack, again showing the combination of drug tests embedded into the collection cup. CE marked, basic in vitro diagnostic logos across the front. If I open one up to show you. Inside the foil you have a couple of pouches of desiccant, which is just to keep the test dry and in perfect condition. And this is the integrated EZ split cup design system. The lid opens and closes with a lock. In the top of the lid is your key system, which goes into the side chamber here to discharge the urine through into the back chamber. And to run this test, you either give the entire cup to the person you're wishing to urinate into it, or you can collect your sample separately and then decant your sample into the front chamber. Now ideally you're looking at collecting about 40 to 50 mils minimum. By locking the lid, the seals are watertight, there's no leakage from this possible after you've locked that. It is possible to re-access the sample if you do wish to run an adulteration test on the sample. You can access it at any time, or this can then be sealed with the security seals at that point in front of the person that you're testing, so that the sample is marked as integral and uncontaminated. On the front of the chamber you have a temperature strip. Now this is a key element of your chain of custody. The sample that we've added to this EZ is actually at room temperature, so this will not be triggering the LCD temperature strip, but you would normally expect this to be running at just below body temperature if it's a fresh, unadulterated, undiluted sample that's been given. So part of your chain of custody is to check that you've got a temperature reading of between 35 and 37 degrees showing on the LCD temperature strip. Now to do that, obviously you have to have sufficient urine sample in here. There is a measure on the side running from a minimum 20 ml up to 80 ml. Your ideal, as we've mentioned, is around 40 ml to cover the temperature strip well. And then when you're ready to run the test, the key is located into the central side portion, and by rotating you allow a proportion of the urine through onto the back chamber.